Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cloudinary for image handling in no-code apps step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Cloudinary website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. On the Cloudinary homepage, look for the login button. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Cloudinary dashboard. Now you can start managing your images for your no-code applications. Explore the various features available on your dashboard. You can upload images, manage configurations, and access your media library. If you need any further assistance, check out the Cloudinary documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.